All right, today's tip is about consumer-grade file sharing or free file sharing, so things like Dropbox or Google Drive, and how it affects your business. So this tip is more geared towards business. A lot of these programs are very difficult to secure. In fact, a couple of years ago, Dropbox was actually hit with a breach for 7 million passwords, although they claim that the hackers were using an existing list. And just the other day, it was like 64 million passwords or 68 million passwords or some 60-odd million password thing that's absolutely ridiculous. And apparently, the hackers got into the back end of Dropbox. So having your company data there, having that proprietary intellectual property, having that compliance-based data sitting in something that is consumer grade, that is not running everything that it should, can be a serious problem. So I would look for a service file sharing that has military grade encryption. It is encrypted in a container in the cloud as well as encrypted on the device that it's running on. And also, no matter what you're doing, you should be running two-factor authentication. And what that is it's pretty simple. You log in with your email address and your password or whatever your user and password is, and your cell phone gets a text message or you have an authenticator app that pops up a random number and you punch in that number and it lets you in. That way nobody can steal your password or your username and actually get into your account. That's super critical. But using things like Dropbox, Google Drive, you're just asking for a headache. You're asking for compliance law breaches, which means you're asking for fines and a whole bunch of other things, as well as possible loss of reputation. So just don't do it.